Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, update the Duolingo app, or use the latest web client and ensure a stable internet connection. Next, decide whether you'll add a language on mobile or web because options can differ. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you don't overwrite progress. Once done, open Settings and locate Languages. This gets you immediately into the workflow so you can add the new language without losing existing course data. Now find Learning Language in Settings and tap Add Course to see available options based on your base language. Choose the target language you want and watch for regional variants. Pick the correct dialect or course path. Once selected, decide whether to take a placement test to jump ahead or start from Lesson 1 to build fundamentals. Make sure you confirm any in-app purchases or subscriptions if you need premium features to unlock full course content before proceeding. Finish by syncing the new course across your devices, open the language from your profile, and start the first lesson to verify everything works. If you want offline access, download lessons and enable notifications for streak maintenance. If the language doesn't appear, try logging out and back in, clearing the app cache, or reinstalling the app. Also confirm your base language supports that target. If issues persist, contacting support from the app will help resolve account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.